guys, and thank you for tuning in to my marine biology series. I'm back once again to complete the series with another experiment, which is the sunlight and ocean experiment. Now, once more, you can do this at home, and I ask you if you can write notes. This is the experiment, and these are the materials you'll be needing. Now, let's go! We have here some cooking oil, your plastic bottle, and your food coloring. These three will be the only materials that we will be using in this experiment. Now get your water bottle and fill the half of it with water. Now get your food coloring and dye your water. Now again, I will be using violet since there is no blue available in the market. Now get your cooking oil and fill the rest of the bottle with it. Okay. Once you have filled the rest of the bottle with oil, put the lid in and shake. I recommend you all to shake it very aggressively so that the water and oil will mix. Now let's shake, shake, shake. Alright, just a few more and this will mix completely. And we will see the magic. Now, once you have seen that the water and oil has mixed completely, set it aside and let it rest. As you can see, I'm still holding the bottle and only seconds have passed and there is already a change happening. Now, this is the result once you have let it rest for a few seconds. So as you can see, there is already layers. These three layers that you can see in our water bottle experiment are actually the representations of the water zones in the ocean. The first layer that you can see is called sunlight. The second layer is called twilight. And the last layer, which is the darkest part, is called midnight or dark. Hi guys, so upon seeing the experiment, have you ever wondered why the ocean has light zone layers? And why is the ocean blue but water is transparent? Well, there is an easy explanation that could solve your curiosity. Well, first, the ocean can be divided from its surface to its depths into the three zones based on the amount of light delivered or received. So these light zones are the sunlight zone, twilight zone, and midnight zone. So let's first discuss the sunlight zone. So the sunlight zone is the top layer which is nearest to the surface. Here is where enough sunlight is penetrating the water to support photosynthesis. So what is there when there is photosynthesis? So since photosynthesis occurs here, more than 90% of all marine life lives in the sunlight zone. Second is the twilight zone. Only a small amount of light can penetrate the water at these depths, and only animals that have adapted to little light can survive. And lastly is the midnight zone. So 90% of the ocean is actually the midnight zone. It is entirely dark and there is no light. Water pressure is very extreme and also the temperature there is nearly freezing. As you can see, it is lighter in the top and slowly gets darker in the bottom. This is actually what happens in the ocean. When sunlight enters the ocean waters, the rays of the sunlight get refracted or they bend. In addition, the density of the ocean water causes the sunlight to slow down and to spread apart, then get deeper. Now, why is the ocean water blue, but water is transparent? This is actually a good question. So, water appears blue because it absorbs the longer wavelengths than the shorter wavelengths. The visible sunlight is made up of different wavelengths of light. These different wavelengths can penetrate the transparent seawater to different depths. the ocean is most transparent to blue light. Now, in simplest terms that I could give, the ocean is blue because water absorbs colors in the red part of the light spectrum. This leaves behind the colors in the blue part of the light spectrum for us to see. In addition, the blue sky enhances the blue appearance of the ocean. Now, thank you for watching.